The laying down hero pose is a great stress relief and a good stretch for the tops of your thighs and overall body. So you want to get comfortably on the ground on your knees. You're going to bring your ankles out to either side of your hips and sit your hips down on the ground. So your legs are still touching, but now you have your shins and your glutes both on the ground. From here, you're just going to gently walk yourself back onto your elbows until you can rest all the way down with your back on the ground. Keep your hips rotated nice and forward, squeezing those thighs together, and then raise your arms up and over your head. Take a minute to just relax and breathe here deeply. To come out of this pose safely and effectively, go ahead and walk yourself up onto your elbows and push up back into sitting pose.